Gorgeous.
The tiny one.
Yes, Munna. Tiny. It's seen from far away. It's a lovely king parrot. They come here now and then, isn't it? And they are bigger too. See? You see, Baba?
What is big? What is big?
Yes.
That's not like that daddy one. Oh, now this is. No, Titi. They're orange.
They have reddish orange and green on them. King parrots. They are one of the larger parrot types here. You know, the cockatoo group, they are the largest. And this would be the second largest group. But these are gorgeous. And these don't have a nasty sound like the cockatoos or the corellas have.
Nice.
What, Babu?
The king parrots so nice.
They just have a small, cheap parroty voice. It's not like the corellas and cockatoos. They are noisy. Okay.
It's called actually Babu. Every time you call it, I did.
Beautiful, eh? If we had a set of binoculars, we don't have a set of binoculars. And good quality ones to somewhere lying inside. No, it's still there, Munna. It's going to leave soon, okay?
Yeah, I see.
We get better shots from here than from down under when we go under the tree. So we just finish with this, okay?
Yeah.
Gorgeous.